Probably just a sensor or something. Hey, and I see more blue trucks in back of us.
Oh yeah, they're all catching up now.